Just as important as color is to an event page, properly curated typography can go a long way. Almost every Splash public theme will include 3 different font sets to cycle through to quickly change the look and feel of your event page. To edit your fonts, click into the Theme tab and then click into Edit inside the Font tab area. The designer also has the ability to create additional font sets by clicking Add Set. Generally speaking though, it is best practice to settle upon one set and make the necessary edits there. You can add up to 5 fonts per page by clicking Add Font. Once you have your preferred number of fonts activated for your set, you can swap them out by clicking directly into a font. A drop-down will populate showing you all the fonts Splash has to offer in our public library. Once you select a new font, you'll see that it adjusts all content on the page that was using the previous font. It is important to note that just because certain headlines or text elements may share the same font, the designer is able to quickly and easily change the font to another selection from their palette. In some cases, you may wish to upload a custom font into Splash. To do this, click on the Upload Font button. This will launch our Upload Custom Font modal. In here, you are directed to choose a type file to upload. An important note when uploading custom fonts is to upload the same font family and weight in the following formats: TTF, WOFF, EOT, and SVG. Why is this recommended, and what does this mean in plain English? Well, certain font files can render differently, or not at all, on certain web browsers. You might elect to upload just the TTF version of your font file, and it will seemingly render correctly on your local machine. But if your attendee is viewing your event page on a dated version of Internet Explorer, for example, your custom font may be rendering as Times New Roman or some other off-brand web-safe font. And remember, it has to be the 4 versions of the individual face. You won't be able to get away with uploading circular regular, italic, bold, and black all in one bucket. You need to upload 4 versions of Circular Pro regular, 4 versions of Circular Pro italic, and so on and so forth as individual groupings. At this time, Splash does not support any sort of integration with Typekit or other font-related applications, so the designer has to make sure they have the hard-coded version of the original font. Are you finding yourself in a position where you don't have access to all 4 versions of the font? No worries. Here at Splash, our internal creative team uses free font converter websites every day to quickly and easily upload a specific type file format, and have the application convert our file to the necessary other formats that we need to upload into Splash. Here are some examples of the ones we use. Once they are converted, you can click Choose File, select all 4 file versions of your font from your computer, click Open, and then click Upload. Once the font has been successfully uploaded, you are given a nice confirmation message in the top left of the browser window, and you may close out the modal. Well done. The custom font will now be listed alphabetically in your font library for you to quickly replace any of the fonts in your set with. Keep in mind, since you are using a live tool, an occasional save and refresh of the browser is strongly encouraged. This will help ensure proper font rendering once you upload that custom font for the first time. And good news, any custom fonts you upload into an event page will be included in the template moving forward if you elect to save your event page out as a custom theme.